Hi, I'm Mona from Drunk Elephant. I'm here to talk to you about T.L.C. Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, aka the serum that changed my life. T.L.C. Framboos is a high-tech AHA/BHA gel that gently resurfaces dull, congested skin without any irritation. It visibly reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and discoloration. And if that wasn't enough, it reduces excess oil and helps to reduce breakouts. Wow. So what's in this magical serum? T.L.C. Framboos contains a Dream Team blend of 10% AHAs, including glycolic, T.L.C, which stands for tartaric, lactic, and citric acids. All these acids work together to dissolve the glue that holds skin cells to the surface. It also includes 1% salicylic acid, which is your BHA, which unclogs pores, soothes your skin, and helps the appearance of skin tone and texture, which is what helped me the most. T.L.C. also contains a raspberry fruit extract that rehydrates and soothes skin and fights free radical damage with antioxidants. T.L.C. Framboos should be used at night. You apply 1 pump to a clean, dry face while avoiding the eye area. I would start using the product slowly, maybe every other night. If you experience some slight tingling, it's totally normal. That means it's working. This will dissipate after your skin gets adjusted to all the amazing acids in this little serum. Mix with any Drunk Elephant serum or moisturizer in the palm of your hand and apply. We call it a smoothie. My favorite smoothie is 1 pump of T.L.C, 2 to 3 drops of our virgin marula oil, and 1 pump of Lala Retro Whipped Cream. It's the dreamiest combination for skin before bed. Drunk Elephant formulas are biocompatible, free of silicones, and highly absorbable, so you don't have to worry about layering. So if you're looking for a skin-changing serum, give T.L.C. Framboos Glycolic Night Serum a try. Trust me, you won't regret it.